offshore operations are undergoing a remarkable transformation powered by the combination of walk-to-work gangways and advanced service operation vessels. This partnership marks the arrival of a new digital era in the maritime world, one focused on making offshore work smoother, smarter, and safer. What once required complex logistics and lengthy transfers has now become a seamless process. With motion-compensated gangways linking vessels directly to offshore platforms, crews can move safely and efficiently between ship and worksite in almost any sea condition. The result is faster transfers, reduced downtime, and a significant boost in overall safety. Together, walk-to-work systems and SOVs represent more than technological progress. They symbolize a shift toward a fully connected and data-driven offshore industry, one that blends precision engineering with digital intelligence to create a brighter, safer, and more efficient future at sea. Technological progress is redefining offshore operations, shifting maintenance and safety from reactive measures to proactive strategies. Continuous real-time monitoring now provides a detailed overview of equipment and structural health, allowing teams to detect early signs of wear or malfunction before they escalate into costly failures. Enhanced sensor networks and intelligent analytics have elevated safety standards, enabling faster identification and mitigation of potential hazards. This predictive approach not only prevents incidents, but also optimizes operational continuity. Key innovations, such as walk-to-work gangways and service operation vessels, exemplify how advanced engineering and digital systems work together to streamline offshore activities. By integrating automation, monitoring, and data-driven decision-making, these technologies create safer, more efficient, and more resilient offshore workplaces. Walk-to-work gangways represent a remarkable achievement in offshore engineering. Structures built to maintain stability and safety in constantly shifting marine environments. Equipped with motion-adapting technology, these gangways continuously adjust to the vessel's movements, preserving a secure connection with the offshore installation. Their main frames, constructed from high-grade steel or carbon fiber, balance flexibility with strength, while integrated motion sensors respond instantly to even the smallest shifts. Safety features, such as anti-slip surfaces and automated barriers, further safeguard personnel during transfers. Complementing these gangways are service operation vessels, purpose-built for extended offshore deployment. Beyond crew transport, they function as fully equipped living and working hubs. Using dynamic positioning systems driven by sensors, propellers, and thrusters, SOVs maintain precise station keeping even in rough seas. Many are fitted with comfortable accommodation, recreational facilities, workshops, and helipads, allowing for long-duration missions without returning to shore. Together, walk-to-work gangways and SOVs form a powerful combination that redefines offshore logistics. The integration of motion compensation technology with dynamic vessel control allows personnel transfers under conditions once considered unsafe. By enabling longer crew rotations and reducing unnecessary trips, this partnership enhances safety, efficiency, and sustainability, setting a new benchmark for modern offshore operations. Digital integration has transformed the walk-to-work concept into an intelligent, data-driven system that enhances both operational safety and efficiency. Outfitted with advanced sensors and IoT technology, modern gangways continuously track their structural condition, motion stability, and environmental surroundings. These systems measure weight balance, detect potential obstructions, and monitor personnel movement between vessels and offshore structures. The resulting data enables operators to make instant, informed decisions, ensuring secure and seamless transfers. Incorporating artificial intelligence into dynamic positioning systems further refines precision and safety. AI algorithms process extensive real-time inputs, from vessel sensors to weather forecasts, to stabilize ship positioning and anticipate the effects of waves, wind, and current. This predictive capability allows crews to take corrective action before conditions become hazardous, maintaining steady and secure connections. The same digital intelligence supports predictive maintenance. Sensor data reveals wear patterns, detects mechanical stress, and flags inefficiencies, allowing maintenance to be scheduled proactively. This approach reduces downtime and prolongs the gangway's operational lifespan. Meanwhile, immersive virtual reality and augmented reality technologies are revolutionizing crew training. Simulated environments replicate offshore conditions, enabling personnel to practice walk-to-work operations safely before deployment. These digital tools strengthen preparedness, improve procedural accuracy, and contribute to a higher overall standard of safety and performance across modern offshore operations. The walk-to-work system continues to evolve, driven by the intelligent use of data collected from SOVs and connected gangways. Offshore leaders are now leveraging this information to optimize operations, improve safety, and enhance overall productivity. By analyzing performance metrics, transfer timing, and environmental factors, they can refine transfer windows, reducing idle time and ensuring smoother, faster crew and equipment movements between vessels and platforms. Data-driven insights also reshape crew management. By examining workload patterns, skill levels, and rest cycles, operators can design optimized shift schedules that maintain efficiency while supporting crew well-being. Balanced rotation planning not only sustains productivity, but also strengthens safety by preventing fatigue-related risks. Integrating digital systems with walk-to-work and SOV platforms further enhances emergency preparedness. Real-time monitoring and smart evacuation modeling provide clear guidance during critical situations, allowing for rapid, coordinated responses that minimize danger and disruption. Moreover, continuous data collection from weather sensors and sea state monitors enables environmental intelligence, allowing operations to adapt proactively to changing conditions. This forward-looking approach ensures decisions are informed, strategies remain resilient, and offshore activities continue safely and efficiently even in unpredictable marine environments. The future of offshore operations points toward full digital integration, where autonomous service operation vessels operate in synchrony with walk-to-work gangways under the oversight of a centralized digital command hub. This hub functions as the operational core, continuously collecting live data, analyzing performance, and guiding decision-making in real time. Artificial intelligence and machine learning systems interpret vast streams of operational data to optimize scheduling, navigation, and maintenance, maximizing uptime and efficiency. Beyond productivity gains, this digital transformation fundamentally enhances safety. Autonomous docking and transfer systems reduce the need for direct human intervention during high-risk maneuvers, significantly lowering the chance of accidents or injuries. Environmental protection also stands to benefit. Automated control and precise monitoring minimize operational errors that could lead to spills or mechanical failures, aligning with the industry's growing commitment to sustainability. By combining AI-driven insight, self-operating vessels, and connected gangway technology, the offshore sector is entering a new era, one defined by safer working conditions, smarter logistics, and greater environmental responsibility. The expanding role of data analytics is redefining how offshore operations function, transforming monitoring systems into engines of prediction, optimization, and innovation. Instead of reacting to problems after they occur, predictive analytics enables operators to foresee issues and act before disruptions take hold. Continuous data streams from sensors embedded in walk-to-work gangways and service operation vessels feed algorithms capable of identifying early signs of equipment wear or inefficiency. This foresight allows maintenance to be performed at ideal intervals, reducing downtime, cutting costs, and extending asset life. Artificial intelligence and machine learning enhance this predictive capability even further. By integrating data from weather forecasts, sea state models, and performance metrics, AI systems generate real-time risk assessments that guide operational decisions. These insights help determine the safest transfer windows, optimize vessel positioning, and adapt to changing conditions with precision, delivering measurable gains in both safety and efficiency. Beyond machinery, data analytics also improves human performance management. Analysis of crew workload, task distribution, and rest patterns enables managers to design shift structures that maintain alertness, reduce fatigue, and increase morale. Balanced, data-informed scheduling contributes directly to a safer and more productive workforce. In an industry where precision and adaptability define success, data analytics has become indispensable. Its integration into walk-to-work and SOV operations not only safeguards assets and personnel, but also drives continuous improvement, laying the foundation for a more intelligent, resilient, and forward-looking offshore sector. The integration of walk-to-work platforms with specialized offshore vessels and advanced digital technologies is reshaping the offshore landscape. These innovations are driving significant improvements in efficiency, safety, and operational precision, setting new standards for how offshore activities are managed. As intelligent systems, automation, and data analytics become central to daily operations, offshore environments are transforming into interconnected, adaptive ecosystems. Tasks once dependent on manual coordination are now streamlined through digital oversight, allowing work to be completed faster and with greater reliability. This evolution represents more than a shift toward digitalization. It marks the beginning of a new era in offshore operations, one defined by innovation, resilience, and continuous improvement. With technology and human expertise working in concert, the industry stands on the threshold of a smarter, safer, and more sustainable future.